Hello guys and welcome to Dyson Sphere program. We are going to play this game for a little bit and see what we can do. So let's go right into it, because I found this game quite fun when I used to play it a few weeks ago. So I thought, why not make a video, see what comes of it, and if you guys enjoy it then that's also great. So let's actually have a look at where we can start. Delta, yeah, why not? Let's do this one. Black hole 1, wherever it is. Oh, it's down here. Okay, this will go straight in, really. So we've got the maximum amount of stars, 2 times, actually let's do 1 times resources, and let's go straight into it. Wow, never gets old.
Welcome to the actual universe. You may find it's different from our homeland. Should you be able to adapt to the laws of physics in a short time, I am your advisor and will help you through this mission.
Damn. Mouse is a bit sensitive, but not really sure what I'm expecting. Nice, nice.
Everything here is yours. As one of Cosmo and the pioneer of the Dyson Sphere program, you will explore this cluster step by step. By using the resources here to construct the Dyson Sphere to provide energy for the center brain to maintain homeland, starting from scratch. I have chosen a designated planet for you to start the mission, which has necessary resources for initial development. Now please drive the space capsule to the planet.
Oh god, now we need to drive to the planet. Ooh, this is going to be interesting. Now where do we want to go? I guess we want to kind of... I don't know, the equator seems okay over here, right here, doesn't it?
Now you are about to reach the designated planet.
Really? Where's it going to land me? That's the problem. I don't want to land just anywhere. No, don't have a choice, I think. It's been so long since I played this game, I don't even remember. Yeah, it's predefined. That's fine as well. Got our mouse, got our robot.
This is Icarus, a lightweight industrial mecha with powerful functionality. You can use the arrow keys or right-click on the destination to control its movement. In this mission, you will manipulate Icarus to travel beyond the stars and create miracles.
Alright, so we won't do the tutorial. We'll just go straight through. I know what I'm doing.
Now try to recycle the space.
That's fine, we don't really need all that. So let's go straight into it. And we'll see what we can build on this planet.
You can use the same operation to collect
Yeah, I remember. So you can press shift to make multiple jobs. So let's do this.
You receive several items after recycling the space capsule.
Do that.
Click the inventory.
So let's get these logs and rocks for now. Oh, and plant fuel as well. That's going to be great. So we press C. Oh, this has changed. Very nice. That is very different. Wow.
You can hold down mouse middle button drag to rotate the angle of view or slide the mouse wheel.
Alright. So what we want to do is we want to go onto the inventory. No, not the inventory. Not that one either. Fabricator, I think it is. Yes. So what we need to do is, I think there's a mission somewhere. Well, there was. So let's get some, what is this one? Iron ore for now. And then once we've got that,
yet you have not unlocked the
technology tree, right? That's what we need to do. Oh yeah, that would be helpful. Let's do that. Right, so we need to make this item now. Let's actually stop that for now. So what we need to do is we need to use the copper ingots, which we've got because we took down our lander. So let's do... let's just do 1 because we need 10. Do we have enough? No, we don't. I think we need 8 more, don't we? There we go. So we'll do that, and then we'll use them for the research, and then we'll see what happens. Hopefully, this will go a bit faster, because I remember... yeah, see, now this is an issue. We're making more than I thought. Right. Anyway. We can stop that. We need to fuel up, so I'll remember how to do that is... put that in there. There we go. So now we're fueling up, so that's great. We've got research, so now we've got the mining machine, which has got what we're going to need, and we've got power output. And we've also got a Tesla tower, which makes it possible to distribute the energy around. So let's actually do that.
You have created a mining machine to achieve ore collecting automation.
Now if you press Alt, not Alt, sorry, Shift, you can move it around like this, which makes life a bit easier. I'm just trying to see, can I get all of these?
Rotate the mining machine for covering more
Probably
veins.
not. Oh, I can.
More veins covered,
there we go.
the faster the ores will be gathered.
Let's get some energy.
Try holding down the Shift key.
And then we'll get...
wind turbine.
Yeah, I don't really care about this stuff, so... Then we want a Tesla tower.
Production facilities is not powered.
So we'll go this way.
To keep it within the power coverage.
I need to stop pressing escape. I'm used to pressing escape.
You have done building the first.
Get rid of him because we don't really care. So now what we want to do is we want... Really what we want is the conveyor belts. These will help us a lot later on as well. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to have to take out that, and we're going to have to build these. So let's go. Our fabricator. We're going to need 10. So that's 2 then. That will give us 4. That's it then. We need more ores for that. So we need this here. And once we've got enough of that, we can then make some more. And then we need the cogs, which need the iron sheeting, which need iron ore. Iron ingots, sorry, I mean, yeah. Now that should technically be enough. Let's get a bit more. Let's get up to 20. There we go. Let's create, I think it was 1 more. Yep, 1 more. And then for this one, we need 10. Let's see what happens. I think this is 1 each, isn't it? Yeah. And then this requires 1. Yeah. So we need to make 9 more. Do that. And then once we've got the 9, it will just finish the research, which is going to be great because that's what we need. So there we go. Now we've got what we need. There we go. Now we wait. But while we're going to wait, let's get rid of some of this stuff. Why not? Because we need fuel anyway, so we might as well get rid of it. These small things here. There we go. Now we've got conveyor belts. Very nice.
You have received the sorter.
Don't really care. So let's go on to... Let's go on to... Trying to remember what it's called. Not that. Was it this one? Yeah. So let's get the arc smelter unlocked. So again, let's take actually these out. So each mining machine can only have a maximum of 50 items in the bag, in the storage. So we'll leave that for now. So let's actually.
When putting a conveyor belt, all you need to do is determine the starting point and the end point of it. In addition, use the up arrow.
So obviously now the mech is going to send out his robots and it's going to build stuff. So we really now need to basically Put more fuel into charge up, seeing as we're not charging up high enough. Our little robots require a lot of energy. Hopefully we could get some coal from over here as well. That's going to power us as well. That's stone, sorry. Coal is over here. There we go, that's where the coal is. I knew we had coal somewhere, I just couldn't see it. So let's go on the fabricator again. So we need 8 more of these. No. I always do this wrong. You need 4. Because it produces 2 at a time. So that's 4. So that'll give us 8. No. Wow, I'm really bad at this. Whatever, let's just do this again. Okay, there we go. And this produces 2 as well. So we need 5. To give us 10. And then once we've got those, we'll see what we can research next. I think we can queue things up. We should be able to anyway. Upgrades. Let's do the upgrades because we really need to get some energy. So we have do we have storage? We have a storage. We haven't built one yet. So let's see what we need for that. Let's make 5 of them because we really do need storage. It's not really necessary just yet, but it's a big help. So we've got metallurgy now. That will let us make what we're making on our robot. So all these components you see here, basically these 2 at the top, can be made by the metallurgy. So let's have a look. Arc smelter rather. I mean, it's no different. For now, let's just wait for this to finish with the storage, and then what we can do is we can put it into the storage, and then from the storage go into the production line, and then from the production line can go back into storage. So that's what we'll do. So go over here, let's put a storage in here.
You built a storage, which can be used to...
Yep, it can be used to store stuff, exactly. So what to do this?
The sorter is a transportation connector of cargoes between
and then we'll get this out.
Transport them as long as the supply
and then we'll get another storage there.
You built a smelter, which can smelt basic materials,
such
as iron ingots and copper ingots automatically. While
we
you want
need
to make the
some
products get
energy.
Autonomously, you need to use sorters and conveyor belts.
We'll do that. And then this one can then produce, I suppose, these ones. Once we've got the power. Considering we're on our building.
After selecting the recipe, you can use the less than key.
That's going to take forever. So,
greater than key to paste the next building that
yeah, so greater than and less than keys are very helpful. If you guys were trying to listen to him, I'm sorry. He sometimes gives good hints, like this one now is a good hint. Usually he just tells you what's what, and it's kind of obvious what it does. So we're just waiting for these to be built, really. But what we can do in the meantime, we can go and collect some resources for ourselves. Nothing wrong with that. Let's put some wood in here so you can gather, so we can get some more energy. And once we've got more energy, that's probably going to be a big help as well. What we'll do actually is let's go over here for now. Actually, wait. Now we've got this. It's not really on the line as I wanted it, but I guess that works, huh? There we go. So now we've got energy. We do kind of need to build more wind turbines, but that's going to be coming in a second now anyway. So actually, let's just go back here and do this. And then once we've got a few more resources, we can actually start doing what we came here for. So we need 20 iron ingots, but we also need 20 copper ingots. Now we've got the iron ingots there. There we go. Done. I think we just took it out. Yes, we did. And then what we can do here for now is we need 20 of these. There's my 20 of those. And then once we've got 20 of those, the research will be done. So that'll be great. And then, see, this needs more power, which is something I'm always worried about. So actually, let's go down here. See if we can build these. Bit nice. Be a nice little area. There we go. So that's more energy. So now we've got more energy. Now it's very nice because you can see the statistics here for the power. It'll tell you exactly how much you've got and how much you're consuming. So, wow, yeah, not that bad actually, considering. Haven't got anything here yet. Wow. This is something I've never seen before. That is very interesting. Wow, very nice. Like it. So we've got the research done, so now let's actually go back into technologies and see what we can do here. Now these require the research, which is the matrix. The matrix is unlocked with this, which is a matrix lab. So let's do this. Let's actually start unlocking all of these we can for now. So what we're going to need is we're going to need magnetic coils. We're going to need 10. For that we need some of this. So actually take that out for now, and then see if we can actually speed this up a little bit to make this go into my storage. There we go. So we need, what was it again? Oh yeah, this. So we needed 10. So that should give us 10, and then we also need 10 of these. Produce 10 of these. Now later on, this is going to become a lot easier when we've got all the manufacturing down. At the moment, it's a bit tedious, but it's still not that bad considering. Let's put some more fuel into my my trusty friend over here, and then let's get him some more. We'll go and get him some coal in a minute. Actually, he'd probably much rather have that. So we might as well clear this area up a bit, shan't we? Huh? There we go. So he's doing that. We can't really speed it up. There's no way to speed the game up as far as I know, which is okay. If you speed it up, you'll probably get lost anyway, so that's fine. Does not bother me. It's nice how it says at the bottom how long you've been playing, actually. That is very convenient. Especially when making a video. So he really needs more fuel, so let's give him some more wood. There we go. So we've got the research lab. So now what we want to do is build the research lab, because what it will do is give us the matrix that we need. So let's actually put this in here for now. Oops. Okay, so now
Matrix Lab. You can use it to make super matrices or research technologies that require them to unlock. The super matrices are the source code of the center brain for maintaining the home world. You can upload as many super matrices to the center brain as possible. You can be benefit to unlock more actual world technologies by operating the home world simultaneously.
So what we ideally want to do is, we did actually want to move this somewhere else, not actually quite there, but that's okay for now, because what we want to do is build more of these smelters. However, what we really need to do is in the technology tree. Where was it? Was it down here? Yeah, this. So we want the basic assembling is what we want right now, because that will give us a pretty big boost later on as well. So let's do another 5 of these and another. Can I produce 1 of those? So let's go some more of this. We need more copper. The copper is definitely going to help us a lot later on. So let's do that. See what we can do now. Can we do? Oh, that's not the one we want at the moment anyway. Okay, so we do need 10 of these though. So let's make 10 of them. And then copper is okay because it's not that big of an issue. We can actually make the matrices ourselves, which is somewhat interesting. Kind of makes sense though, considering we kind of need to have them in our inventory so we can do research. So that's okie doke with me. So this is doing this thing. That's great. Very happy with that. That's going very nicely. So once this is done, what we want to do is we want to feed this into the assembly line. There we go. Now we've got the assembler. Put the assembler. Let's actually put it up here because, oops. What we now need to do is, so we want to say to this one, make.
You have a building without recipe set. Please set the recipe you want. After selecting the recipe, you can use the less than key to copy the recipe.
Yeah, it's telling us the same thing again. What we want to do is, we ideally want to make. Making magnets is probably a good idea, but then we'd have to take from here and move it over. So actually, let's do that. So let's make him make the. Actually, he can't make the magnets, can he? He can make the magnets. Oh, I'm not very good at this, am I? Put him there. I've got an idea, right? He can make the he can make the magnets. We need more conveyor belts. Let's build some more conveyor belts. Let's build 10, why not? Because that will then give us 30. And then once we've got the 30, what we'll do is we'll put some of the iron over here, put him into here, and then he will also need the copper ingots, which is from over here, which will be the same kind of like this. So what we'll do is then we'll build another. Can't build that one. Bummer. But we could if we do this. Could technically make the 4 then. That's just okay. Let's do that. Okay. And then when that's it, doing that stuff, that's great. So now it's getting 3 production, 3 conveyor belts at a time. So, and then we obviously want this come over. Now we need to build more of them. So let's build 5 of those, and then what's going to happen is this will then feed into here, this will feed into here. We'll get the copper from over here, which will also then feed into this system. And then that should be it, really. We kind of probably need to put some more miners here for the iron, just to make it a bit easier. So what we'll do is let's do that. Get the conveyor belt. Do that for now, and then we'll turn it around. Hopefully that works. It should work anyway. Don't see why not. Is there really no power for it? Wow, interesting. Well, now there is. Then we'll connect that one to that one, and then there'll be more iron input, and that should then make it a lot easier. Well, not easier, but a lot more convenient. So that's that. This can then go into here, and this can go into here. So let's go over here, and now let's start this area off where we need to get the copper. Let's just do that. Oops. A lack of item. Again, that's a bit of an awkward situation. So take these two, and then just make a lot of these. Why not? Can never really go without them or whatever, so that's good. And then what we need to do is we need to add this here, this here. Don't have to, but too close. Bummer. Can I dismantle those for now? Okay, so let's get the storage here. This guy here. Yes. So this in here. He can make these, and then we will have what we need for the magnets. So that should then go. There we go. So now that's basic production. Don't really need that yet. So this is our basic production line, just to make magnetic coil, which is actually somewhat interesting. So actually, let's do that. Let's do this, and then what we can do is, we don't have any of those items. Oh no! That's a bit awkward, isn't it? What do we need for this? Of course we do. What a surprise, right? What a surprise. And then we can put another storage over here, which is then going to be great, because then bring this down. That will then put the magnetic coils in here. This is probably not really going to help much, but I guess we'll find out later on. Put in there. And there we go. That's our first little production line, which is very interesting. So we always going to need more power, which is obviously going to be an issue later as well. Got that now. Do that. Yeah, guys, I'm going to leave it at that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope to make this into a little series where I'm going through the game, just having fun, just building things. We'll see how it goes, and if you guys enjoy it, then great. If you guys don't enjoy it, then that's also okay with me. Can't always expect everyone to like everything, can I? That would be a bit selfish of me. So I thank you all for coming by. I thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much, and take care. Bye bye.